Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can see, I am doing the aloe vera challenge. I just woke up and I washed my face with a Burt's Bees exfoliating scrub, and there's nothing on my face right now. So, the reason why I'm doing this challenge is because I've been getting breakouts and I have dry skin. I don't know if you guys could see, like right here, it's like really like dry patches everywhere. I'm getting like marks on my face and my pores are just huge as always. I want to see if the aloe vera will minimize my pores and minimize breakouts and give me some moisturized skin. I think that's the one thing that I'm mainly focused on, is just moisturizing my skin. Like the dry patches are not cool at all. Like even if you put on makeup, you could still see like where the dry patches are. That's why it's always great to have healthy skin underneath your makeup. Makeup just looks better with healthier skin, honestly. Let's see if this works. You saw me cutting up my pieces. What I'm going to do for this challenge is keep the pieces in the refrigerator, and every time, like in the morning, just pick one out from the jar and just like mix it up a bit so it gets to be more of a liquid form, and then just put it all over my skin that way. Right now I actually still have the pieces that I cut, so I'm going to be using these to moisturize my skin for right now. And let's begin, because oh my god, this feels so good already. We have so many pieces. Oh, it's so sticky. I'm going to leave this on my face for around 15 to 20 minutes. So as the days go by, I will show you how my skin is reacting to this aloe vera. And I might even want to put it on my hair, but I don't think I have enough to put on my hair for right now. But I'll probably stop by Whole Foods again and get another plant and cut it up for my hair. Right now my hair is straight and it's about to be washed tomorrow, and I know it could use some aloe vera as well. This summer is just about to be so lit, guys. Like I'm just trying to glow all summer and just be the happiest version of myself, the best version of myself. Like if you are in that place where you're just feeling like you know you want better, you know you could do better, just do it, because you're currently at, thinking about it is not the frequency you want to be when you're actually doing it. So you just have to do it, and it's that simple. Like I don't know if that makes any sense, but just do what you want to do and stop thinking about it. Like I know that could probably relate to so many people right now, because for some reason like the seasons have a lot to do with how you're feeling. And I feel like spring, or like when it's about to be spring, people just want to be their best selves. I don't know what it is. It's something about it. Okay guys, so the mask is on. At the end of the video I will be posting a before and after pic, but just continue watching. I took a shower, I got ready, I washed my face. So like when I rinsed my face off, it was slimy, of course, because I had all of the aloe juice on my skin. And then I used like a regular cleanser, nothing with any exfoliating scrubs in there. So just to like make sure the aloe was out of my skin. But yeah, my skin feels really soft right now, and normally when I put oil, my skin doesn't feel this like soft. It just, you could still feel like hard skin, but it's feeling good. Say cheese. Say hi. Hi. I washed my face already. I still have dry spots on this side and this side of my face. My skin does feel a little more moisturized though. Like normally when after I wash my face, it feels pretty dry, and I didn't put anything on my face yet. I'm going to just put the aloe vera on it right now, and I'm actually gonna put it on Nova's face too. She has a little scar on her face, and I haven't really put anything on it since she's gotten it. She had a skin infection and her whole body just like shedded like a snake, and her skin was really sensitive, and I guess from like scratching and stuff it left a mark on that side. You see her little curls? Her curls are so tight. Her hair texture is totally different from mine. So here is the aloe vera. I took it out of my mason jar and I just like mashed it with a fork a little bit to like soften it up. And like I did say before, you keep it in the refrigerator. Okay, this might get a little messy with Nova here, but here we go. She's looking at me like, what? Ooh. And the smell isn't that bad. It's like, it just smells like a plant. We're gonna leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes, maybe 30 minutes. Good morning, guys. So it is Wednesday the 13th, I believe. I'm so tired. It's like 7:30 in the morning right now. And yeah, I got my aloe vera here. It's really cold. I just took it out the fridge. So all day yesterday my skin was glowing. Like it just looked like I had on a tinted moisturizer like with shimmer in it. I don't know if you guys ever use the Glow moisturizer, but it's amazing. Probably like show it in my other video. I forget the brand. It's like Glamour Hollywood or something like that. But yeah, if you guys know, comment below. But yeah, it looked amazing. And I'm actually gonna wash my hair today because it's been straight for a minute now. I'm really hoping that these scars go away. They're very minor, but I just want like perfect skin. Who doesn't want perfect skin, right? So yeah, guys, I will show you how it looks when I rinse my face. Okay, so I haven't put anything on my face yet, and it doesn't feel as dry as it normally does when I don't put product on as soon as I get out the shower. Whew, sorry, I'm like rushing. I have to be somewhere by 9. Anyway, I'm just going to spray my face with the rose water and glycerin by Heritage Store, and then put some, then follow up with a little bit of almond oil. Three days down, 4 more days to go. I'll see you in my next video. That rhymed. Haha. Hey guys, so I'm running super late. I just washed my face. I didn't record the 4th day of me doing the mask because I just didn't have time, but I'm out the shower, no product on my face. I still have a few dry patches. I don't know if you could see that. It's like shinier, but my face feels moisturized. I also look crazy because I also just woke up. I woke up super late and I have an eyelash appointment today because my eyelashes look crazy and I can't miss this appointment. Okay, so I'll be back tomorrow with some more results.
You got my heart working overtime. You got my mind going crazy. You do it, I do it, I
day 5 skin is looking way better than day 1. I don't have all the bumps on my face that I had when I first started. This mark is, I feel like it's fading. I have to check back to day 1. And I just feel like my skin has this like glow. I don't know if you could see that. I haven't put anything on my skin yet. And I am sick, so I kind of look pale, but I still see like a shine. I know you guys, yeah, you can see it. So 2 more days and I hope I see some more results. I'm really hoping this fades completely, and I just feel like overall my skin looks even. Hey guys, today is day 6 and my skin feels great. I do see a difference. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I know sometimes like watching YouTube videos, it's hard to like tell if someone actually sees a difference and they're just like following trends. But this aloe vera trend is very helpful for all types of skin, I must say. My type of skin is oily and dry. As I told you guys before, like I had dry spots all over this side of my face, just all over, like randomly, like little blotches of dry skin. And then like I'm oily here, my pores aren't the best, and I do see a difference in my skin after the 6th day. Sorry I sound a little nasally. I am still sick. I got really sick yesterday after being out. I had to just come back home and I had a ton of Theraflu, and it has helped me, but like I'm still congested. But yeah, today is day 6 and let's just jump on in to using our fresh piece of aloe. It's killed. It feels so good. I'm like still hoping for this scar to go away. I might need something stronger than aloe though. I must say, like scarring wise, this did fade a little bit, but it is still there. I think aloe vera is best for the moisture of your skin and just like the overall complexion. Like my skin has been glowing with nothing on it. Like I'll rinse this off and I don't really feel like I need to put any moisture on. Hey guys, so today is day 7, the last day of my aloe vera challenge, and I have my aloe vera here. I just washed my face. Yes, I did some braids last night. I'm kind of sad that this is the last day. Like I may have to just buy another plant and make it a part of my everyday regimen, or maybe like a nighttime thing. This has definitely helped my skin and I can't wait to see the final results after I rinse this off my face. Also, if you want to see how I did my own braids, I do have a beginner's video on how to cornrow your hair, and it's pretty simple. I must say I had a little bit of trouble with the parts. I needed help with that, but like if you have like another like 2 mirrors that you can see in the front and the back, then you could do it that way too. I'll link that video below so any of you guys that are interested can watch that. So just like the other 6 days, I'm going to leave this on for 15 to 30 minutes and then rinse my face with a regular cleanser. I haven't really been exfoliating my skin just because it was really dry with like the dry patches and stuff. I just wanted to give it some moisture and have it renew itself. Okay guys, so overall I must say that the aloe vera did take away my dry spots and I'm really happy about that. This mark has faded quite a bit and I do feel another pimple coming through there, so I guess it doesn't look as faded as it is, but overall my skin feels great. Before I had like shiny patches, and I don't have that anymore. So I give the aloe vera challenge a thumbs up. I'm going to include this in my daily routine. Maybe not daily, but like a weekly routine, like maybe once a week, like every Sunday, or whichever is more sustainable. Like if I buy an aloe vera plant every week and just use it for the week, I think that will be ideal. But yeah, I'm totally happy with my skin. I'm just going to finish off with my rose water. And my oil, my sweet almond oil. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are having any issues with your skin, I highly recommend you trying the aloe vera challenge. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.
Just because we're not alone, you echo words you've heard. You let me go just to